I have been out to these things, I don't know how many times since they first started, and it's such a great joy to see what we can do and what Good Shepherd Fellowship has done for the community. It's just an amazing thing. I've also been a distributor, and I've taken out to area homes and out into Latexo. It's just fantastic to see what we can do. It's just amazing. And come on out. You guys come on out and be a part of it. Volunteer your time. I need volunteers at Station 4 and 5 for the next few weeks. That would be great.